properties of alkane, chemical properties of alkane, we have been studied one property, that is combustion reaction. Alkane on combustion gives carbon dioxide and water. It is our first chemical property. The next chemical property is halogenation of alkane. Halogenation of alkane. The next chemical property, halogenation of alkane. In this halogenation of alkane part, suppose we are taking this type of reaction which takes place. This is methane, CH, H, H and H. It is methane. Methane reacts with chlorine. Chlorine is one of the halogen. Methane reacts with chlorine. Chlorine is one of the halogen in the sunlight or UV light. At high temperature, in UV light, when chlorine reacts with CH4, here substitution reaction takes place. Substitution reaction means one hydrogen, step by step, one hydrogen is replaced by one Cl. And alkyl halide is to be formed. Suppose it is methane. At first, at initial stage, breaking of this bond takes place. Breaking of this bond takes place, and one Cl is replaced by one hydrogen is replaced by one Cl, and it gives CH3Cl plus HCl, methyl chloride. Methyl chloride. It is one of the reaction which indicate that how alkyl halide get prepared. But this reaction takes place continuously, because such type of reaction takes place in a sunlight at high temperature. It is to be takes place. Then again this alkyl halide CH3Cl again reacts with this remaining part of Cl, which gives CH2Cl2, methylene dichloride. Methylene dichloride. Methylene dichloride means again formation of HCl. Means here two hydrogens of methane replaced by 2 Cl. CH2Cl2, CH3Cl, CH2Cl2. Again it is continuously going on. CH2Cl2 plus Cl2, again it reacts with this. It gives CHCl3 chloroform or trichloromethane. Trichloromethane, it is also known as, it is monohalogen, it is dihalogen, it is trihalogen. At last the reaction ends, the ending phenomenon of reaction ends at this stage. CHCl3 plus Cl2, which gives CCl4, carbon tetrachloride solvent is to be formed. It is tetrahalo derivatives, trihalo derivatives, dihalo derivative and monohalogen derivative. It means alkane reacts with chlorination of alkane. 4-step process. It is a 4-step process. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is a difficulty to separate alkyl halides. So generally such type of reactions are not used easily in the preparation of alkyl halide. Okay, write down. It is the process methane reacts with Cl2 in the presence of UV light, it gives CH3Cl methyl chloride HCl. Again this methyl chloride reacts with Cl2 which gives CH2Cl2 methylene dichloride. This is exhaustive combination. Exhaustive combination. In each step of the exhaustive combination, this type of CH2Cl2 CH converted into CHCl3, CHCl3 converted into CCl4. This is explained with respect to mechanism. The mechanism which is known as free radical mechanism. After this we are going to study this property of halogenation of alkane with respect to their mechanism. You must observe this slowly, how mechanism is going on. Mechanism of halogenation of alkane. Mechanism of halogenation of alkane. Halogenation of alkane. Mechanism of halogenation of alkane. In this mechanism, there are so many steps. Before start to mechanism, we must know the bond breaking of covalent bond. It means that such type of bond breaking means suppose H and H, two bonds are there. The bond which is formed by sharing pair of electron. This is the bond. This is S orbital and S orbital. Two S orbital overlap with each other in the common region. Two electrons are there. Two electrons get a pair and there must be a type of attraction force which is to be formed. Here ब्रेकिंग ऑफ बॉन्ड टेक्स प्लेस. हाइड्रोजन अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन लेके चले जाएगा, दूसरा हाइड्रोजन अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन लेके चले जाएगा. ये फ्री रेडिकल बनेंगे. ये ऐसे फ्री रेडिकल बनते हैं अपना अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन लेने के बाद. या Cl and Cl, it is a covalent bond. Homolysis takes place. This is homolysis. Homolysis, one of the phenomenon of breaking of bond. When bonds are formed by equal sharing, homolysis takes place and Cl ये निकल जाएगा अपना बॉन्ड लेके. ये फ्री रेडिकल बनेगा. ये भी फ्री रेडिकल बनेगा. Free radicals are not ions, only radicals. Means by equal sharing of electron, breaking of bond takes place. Such type of breaking of bond indicate that it is homolysis phenomenon. By homolysis reaction, mechanism starts. This mechanism is free radical mechanism. The first, you know that the main reaction is formation of methyl chloride, chlorination. In this mechanism, in this free radical mechanism, it is known as free radical mechanism. Free radical mechanism. In this free radical mechanism, our step number one is chain initiation. इसको आप बोलोगे चेन इनिशिएशन. चेन इनिशिएशन का मतलब है चेन breaking of that type of bond, how chemical reaction get initiated. Chain initiation. Chain initiation का मतलब है first at high temperature in UV light this covalent bond homolysis of ClCl takes place. UV light homolysis takes place. By this homolysis phenomenon, free radicals Cl dot plus Cl dot, chlorine free radical which is to be formed. Chlorine free radical chlorine free radical is formed. रिएक्शन का इनिशिएशन होगा, क्लोरीन का फ्री रेडिकल बनेगा. तो दिस इनिशिएशन अफेक्ट्स ऑन द स्टेप 2 और इट इज द इनिशियल पार्ट ऑफ द स्टेप 2. दिस स्टेप चेन प्रोपोगेशन, आगे चले जाएगा थोड़ा सा. चेन प्रोपोगेशन, चेन प्रोपोगेशन का मतलब है such type of free radical promotes to this alkane. Such type of free radical promotes to this, propagates, उसको प्रोपोगेट करेगा. मेरे जैसा आपको फ्री रेडिकल बनना है तो आपको भी फ्री रेडिकल बनेगा. ये जो कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड है, ब्रेकिंग ऑफ दिस बॉन्ड, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन अपने आप हाइड्रोजन लेगा, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन कार्बन लेगा, कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन इसका कॉम्बिनेशन, ये हाइड्रोजन के पास ये Cl जाएगा, ये CH3 बनेगा. चेन प्रोपोगेशन, CH3 free radical in the second step, CH3 free radical is formed, and with respect to this free radical and this free radical, both the free radical gives HCl. Formation of first free radical Cl, and this free radical propagates to this methane. It is a methane and chlorine. Methane and chlorine both are substrate molecules. In this substrate molecule possible, अभी चेन को टर्मिनेट करना पड़ेगा आपको. तीसरा स्टेप है चेन टर्मिनेशन. इन द फर्स्ट स्टेप Cl2 gives Cl dot chlorine free radical. Chlorine free radical is to be formed. With respect to this free radical propagates. Free radical wants hydrogen to form HCl. And when hydrogen and carbon bonding, this carbon and hydrogen, it is a covalent bond. These three bonds are जैसे थे. ये जो है ना, ये प्रोपोगेट करेगा, फ्री रेडिकल बनाएगा. ये फ्री रेडिकल H डॉट बनेगा, H डॉट से Cl डॉट कंबाइन हो जाएंगे. H डॉट Cl डॉट कंबाइन होके HCl बनेगा. फिर ये CH3 नया फ्री रेडिकल बनेगा. ये नए दो फ्री रेडिकल बन गए, CH3 डॉट Cl डॉट. अब ये दोनों चेन टर्मिनेट करेंगे. चेन टर्मिनेशन थर्ड पॉइंट अपना. तीसरा पॉइंट है चेन टर्मिनेशन. चेन टर्मिनेशन, मैक्सिमम परसेंटेज ऑफ चेन टर्मिनेशन इज विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ दिस फ्री रेडिकल, मिथाइल फ्री रेडिकल एंड Cl डॉट फ्री रेडिकल. मिथाइल फ्री रेडिकल एंड Cl डॉट फ्री रेडिकल which gives CH3Cl. ये है मैक्सिमम परसेंटेज ऑफ CH3Cl. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मैक्सिमम परसेंटेज ऑफ CH3Cl. कोई बोलेगा सर ये Cl डॉट जो है ना, ये भी Cl डॉट है, ये दोनों कंबाइन हो जाएंगे ना, Cl डॉट प्लस Cl डॉट Cl2 बनेगा. ठीक है, मिनिमम परसेंटेज ऑफ Cl2 वही तो है, वही तो आगे रिएक्शन बनाता है. फिर बाद में ये Cl2 CH3Cl के साथ जाएगा, फिर CH2 Cl2 बनाएगा, है ना, ये Cl2 बनेगा. Somewhat percentage of these CH3 and again one of the CH3, because lot of molecules are there. These two free radicals also combine with each other, CH3 dot, which gives CH3, ethane. Alkane formation is also possible. Alkane which is to be formed, Cl2 which is to be formed. Continuously this reaction phenomenon is going on. Continuously chain which is to be formed. Continuously product which is to be formed. But we must stop some type of reaction. We must stop some type of stage. किसी एक जगह पे आपको रुकना पड़ेगा ना. आपको फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मिथाइल क्लोराइड करके टर्मिनेट करना पड़ेगा, चेन को टर्मिनेट करना पड़ेगा, है ना. आपको मिथाइल क्लोराइड बनाना है. प्रॉपर्टीज वैसे तो कंटिन्यूस चलने वाली रिएक्शन है, तो मिथाइल क्लोराइड बनेगा. मिथाइल क्लोराइड बनने के बाद चेन टर्मिनेट करेंगे अपन. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप चेन इनिशिएशन, Cl Cl, Cl डॉट, free radical, Cl dot Cl dot. Chain propagation, CH3 dot HCl. Then this is chain termination, CH3 Cl CH3 Cl. Okay, thank you.